Hi there, folks. This is Letty Reichert here. I just wanted to thank you all so much for agreeing to serve as reviewers for our grant competition this year for the Wilson Ornithological Society. I just wanted to make this quick video to kind of introduce you to the Qualtrics survey that you will be using to submit your evaluations of the grant proposals. I just wanted you to see kind of what it looked like, but you will be receiving the link to this video. Obviously, if you're watching it, you've received the link. And then you'll be receiving your reviewing materials, etc. Now, each of you are going to receive a unique link to the survey that you can go back in and revisit that link. So you will need to save the email that you receive from Qualtrics because that link will direct you to your submission only. You will each be divided into groups A through Q because we have a lot of reviewers and a lot of grant proposals in our competition. And so I just wanted to walk you quickly through how I've got the survey set up for everyone. So the first thing that you'll do is you'll select your reviewer group, which will be assigned to you. So let's say your reviewer group G. So you're going to select G and then you'll select the next button. And this should take you then to the first of the proposals within your set. You'll notice that in the files that I sent you, there'll be a number in front of the author's last name. So it could be 1, and in this case, in set G, it's 1 garlic ot. And so you'll know that you're going to be answering questions specifically about this proposal for this round. You'll hit the next button, and then you'll be able to see all of the evaluation criteria for garlic ot proposal. I will have a list of these so that you can see those, but you're going to be asked a series of questions. Did the author use the correct formatting for the body of the proposal that includes abstract, introduction, and method section? Did they have 3 double-spaced pages or less with the appropriate 1 inch or 2.5 centimeter margins? Second question is, does the proposal include the literature cited and a budget with an explanation? And then the next several criteria you're going to be evaluating from the criteria on a scale of exemplary, above average, average, below average, or poor. And so what I want you to think about is most proposals should be about average, and you may have some that are above average, and then only the most outstanding, this is like the best thing you've ever read, would be exemplary. Okay, just to kind of give you an idea of what we're trying to think about here in a subjective scale. So the first question is, does the proposal state how the research contributes to the advancement of ornithology? Answering again on a scale from 1 to 5. Second question, does the proposal state how the research will stimulate new questions for future studies? Does the proposal state how a grant award from the Wilson Ornithological Society will benefit the proposed research? Does the proposal state does the proposal include a description of the time frame within which the project should be expected to be completed? I apologize, there's poor grammar there. Hopefully you'll understand that. There's 97 entries to change, so I'm not going to edit this round. Is the proposed hypothesis objective of the study stated clearly and relevant to the proposed research? Is the proposed hypothesis or objective study unique? Are the proposed methods understandable to a general ornithological audience? Are the techniques clearly described, meaning study location, access to equipment, permits, etc., and statistical analysis? Are the methods appropriate for the proposed study? Does the proposed research indicate the applicant will be able to successfully carry out the project in terms of time and equipment? And then finally, a couple other additional questions here. Does the proposed research cover either of these 2 categories? So either bird movement or economic ornithology. If the proposal doesn't cover either, that's totally fine and just select no. Does the letter of recommendation or letter of support indicate strong support for the researcher and or the proposed research? And then finally, if you would like to actually have text information for each of your individual proposals that you would like to provide constructive feedback for the individual, or you would like to provide comments for the committee to think about as we compile final data to actually do the awards, then you can enter them here, and you should be able to copy and paste them from a Word document if you want to do that. Now, after you finish your first proposal in your group of assigned proposals, you will click the next button, and then that particular individual is finished, and then you'll get your second proposal in your list. Hopefully there's a lot of moving parts here, but I hope that everything is set up correctly for you all, minus the terrible grammatical mistakes that I just noticed after multiple edits. I thank you all very much. And of course, please let me know if any of you have any questions. We're trying to do our best to make this easy and user-friendly and allow you to be able to submit your evaluation reviews in a timely fashion. So thanks so much for your time. Bye.